Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We are talking about EB2 advanced degree professionals in this particular set of videos and the PERM for that and what it would take. So most people who come into the United States and want to do an EB2 do have to show an advanced degree. So what is the definition of an advanced degree under immigration law to make sure that they meet it? Well, the advanced degree is above a bachelor's degree. Now the USCIS will look to the electronic database for global education, the acronym is EDGE, which was created by the American Association of Collegiate Registrars and Admission Officers as one source to determine the validity of the foreign credentials. Now, assuming that it does fall under there, then there's not going to be a problem showing the equivalency of the master's degree. Now, there's another way of showing it too. You could have a bachelor's degree plus 5 years experience, and it can't be just any 5 years experience. You can't, for example, get a bachelor's degree in computer science and then work as an accountant for 5 years and say you have a master's in computer science. You will have to show 5 years of progressive post-degree experience in the specialty. So again, if we're using, for example, a computer science degree, then you would have to show 5 years of progressive post-degree experience in computer science, and that would be equivalent to a master's degree. So this is one way of trying to get someone under the EB2 category rather than the EB3, where they only need a bachelor's degree but will wait for many years for the visa number to become current. So you can use a combination of your education and work experience to show the equivalency of a master's degree. Now, under current regulations, the 5 years of progressive experience which are necessary to establish the master's degree equivalent, you should have that submitted by a professional who has evaluated your education and work experience to show that it is equivalent to a master's degree. And if so, then what you will do is you'll submit the proof of the bachelor's degree, the equivalency of the bachelor's degree, then you'll show the 5 years of progressive work experience, and just so you know, you can also, for example, have started your master's, so there could be a sort of a sliding scale of the number of years needed to equivalate to a master's degree, assuming that you have some of the master's work already done. Now, again, the reason that you would want to do this, if you don't clearly have the master's degree, is to get under EB2 and save all the years of waiting. There is, even under EB2, there is some waiting for if you're from India or China, but assuming you're not from those two countries, there is no backlog on the EB2. Okay, more in the coming videos.